Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS border width. And right now, we'll be discussing about how to set a specific size for the bottom border width. Quickly, let me show you how this works quickly. Back to our document right here. As you can see, we're having this in our previous tutorial where we discussed about the left and right border width. And in our previous tutorial also, we have discussed about how to specify the left, right, top, and the bottom. But right now, we'll be specifying the bottom only. So how can we do that? Now let's get back to our document. Back to our document right here. This one is having two values because we are trying to specify the left and right. So this one is representing the full width. Without this full width, this second width cannot work. But right now we need another value to specify the bottom. Let's give this one 50 pixels so you can see the difference. Now let's reload our document now. Keep looking at this bottom. As you can see, at the first, as you can see, this top and the bottom is looking the same, but now we are going to cut it. Now can you see? Just imagine this one is having different value, and this bottom right here, this top right is having different value. Just imagine what we got. This is looking nice, like ever. Can you see? Just imagine. So the bottom right here is having different value. Let me give it tiny something. Let me give it something like 12. So you can, let me give it something like 7, so you can see how it looks. Can you see? So that you should know that I'm changing it seriously. So we are able to control the top, the bottom, the left, and the right of our borders. So every time you want to use this, make sure you practice it, because the practice makes perfect. Can you see? I'm able to control the border right now. But one tip you have to go with is that anytime you are trying to target the bottom border, you have to specify 3 values inside your border width. When you specify these 3 values, the third value you specify is going to be the one you are going to control. The third value by your right side, which is this, the last value you specify inside your border width value, is the one you are going to control, just to make sure that your border width sets. And when you are using the left and right, definitely you should know that the second value in your border width, you are going to have 2 values. If you are controlling the left and right, you are going to have 2 values. Let me reload this so you can see. In our previous video we have discussed about it. Can you see? You are having left and right here. So only control this one, just to have whatever you want. Let me give this 150 so you can see. Can you see? It's bigger than the top and the bottom. So in our previous tutorial we have discussed about this also. I just preview it for you guys so you can be able to see. So let's now say, for instance, now you only have one value, you don't have the second value. Definitely it's not going to work. Whatsoever you are specifying is going to work for all the angles, which is left, right, top, and bottom at once. But to specify only 2 values, which is the left and right, if you want to use the left and right, if you want to control the left and right only, definitely you have to specify the first value, which is meant for the all borders, because without it can never work. So then you can now specify the second value. Definitely the left and right control is going to use this 2 value, and the bottom also is going to use the third value. So when you are having 3 values, you should know that you are controlling the width, the bottom of your border width. So that's what I'm trying to talk about now. This 7 right here, if I increase it to 200 pixels, you're going to see our bottom is going to swell up. Reload. Now can you see the bottom is bigger than the top right here? So that is the benefit of using this. Now let's say you don't have this right now. You save your document. Can you see? Your document is not going to control it at all. You can't ever control it. So to control the bottom only, definitely you have to have 3 values inside your border width value. So this is your border width property. Then you have to have 3 values, and the last value is going to be the one you are controlling, because that is the bottom, that is the one that specifically targets your bottom border. So anwar akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Have a great day.